Hi, boys and girls. This is Ms. Matthews here again. Today we're looking at counting bills and coins. And I know some of you remember how to count money from second grade, but I'm just going to do a reminder of how to count bills and coins. When we count coins and bills, we count bills first. And if you look right here, these are your bills, dollar bills. And after you're finished counting your dollar bills, then you will count the coins with a larger value. And here's a quarter. A quarter is 25 cents. That's the head of a quarter. This is a tail of a quarter, and it's 25 cents. Then we have a dime, and that's 10 cents. And here's a tail of a dime, and that's 10 cents. And then we have a nickel. There's the head, and it's 5 cents. And the tail of a nickel is 5 cents. Then we have a penny, it's 1 cent. And there's a tail of a penny, it's 1 cent. When you're looking at coins at home, you can see the value of them on the coin itself. It tells you what the value of it is. So when we're writing money using dollars and cents, we use a dollar sign here. And to separate the bills from the coins, we have a decimal, and the decimal is right here. So let's count our coins and our bills. So when we're looking at it, we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $8.25, $8.50, $8.60, $8.70, $8.75, $8.80, $8.81, and $8.82. So that's what we have here. You count your pennies by 1 cent. You count your nickels by 5 cents. You count your dimes by 10 cents. And you count your quarters by 25 cents. So you can count by 1, 5, 10, and 25. So when you have quarters all together, you may count by 25. So let's count by 25 together. We have 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, and $1. 100 cents equals $1. That's why I said $1 at the end. So 4 quarters equals $1. Now I'm going to show you how to count on. If you remembered in the slide before, I told you when you're counting coins, you find the coins with the highest value to start. And so I'm going to look through and I'm going to see, oh, we have a nickel, a penny, a nickel, a quarter, a nickel, a quarter, a dime, a quarter, and a penny. So the one with the highest value would be what? That's right, a quarter. So I'm going to go ahead and put our 25 cents on here because that's a quarter. And I'm going to put 25 cents on here. There's my other quarter. And my 25 cents over here, that's another quarter. And then I'm going to put how much my dime is. We know a dime is 10 cents. And now we have some more coins left over. I see that we have nickel, that's 5 cents, and a nickel, 5 cents, a nickel, 5 cents, another nickel, 5, and another nickel, 5. And then we have 2 pennies. So I'm going to put 1 and 1. Okay, so when we're counting, we start with those that are the largest value. So I know this is 25 cents and I know how to count 25 cents and 25 cents. So I know when I have 25 cents, it'll be 25 cents. I'm going to start right here. And then when I am done using it, I'm going to mark it out. So I'll know I already counted that coin. And then another 25 cents is 50 cents. Because if I have 2 quarters, it'll be 50 cents. I'm going to mark that out because I used that already. And then 3 quarters makes 75 cents. Let me mark that out because I've already used that. And then I have a dime because that's my next largest. So that'll be 85 cents. And then I have a nickel from 85 cents. It'll be 90 cents because I'm counting 5 more up. And after that, 5 more to 90 would be 95. And 95 plus 5 more would be 100. And on the slide previously, I told you that 100 cents equals $1. So all these coins that we've already used, they equal to $1. I'm going to go ahead and put $1 right here. We use our dollar symbol and we put our decimal because we only have $1 and no cents right now for what we've just used. Now let's look over to the other side. Then we have 5 cents. And we have another 5 cents, and we know 5 plus 5 gives us 10. So I'm going to put my 5 cents here, and this one makes 10. And then there's 11 and 12. So this will be 11 and 12. So our value of coins that we've just counted, because you just added 1 and 1, that would be 112 cents. And in the value of dollars, let me put my cent sign. And in the value using the dollar sign, it would be $1 and 12 cents. Now let's look over here where you have a collection where there are dollars and cents. Well, we know that this is $1 right here. And our 25 cents is right here. That's the head of that coin. I'm going to put my 25 cents here because I know what it looks like. I'm going to cross that out and add 10 more to 25 cents. That tells me I have 35 cents. And then add 10 more to 35 cents. That tells me I have 45 cents. And 10 more to that tells me I have 55 cents. And then I have 5 cents right here. So 5 cents to 55 would be 60 cents. And 5 cents to 60 cents would be 65 cents. And 5 cents more to 65 would be 70 cents. And 1 more cent would be 71. 71 cents. Okay, so now looking at this, I have used all my dollars and coins. So that tells me I have a dollar and 71 cents. And over here, my collection, I still have a dollar and 71 cents. So let's continue. This one we're looking at hairy money. And for those of you who remembered in 2nd grade that you did hairy money, you counted every value that is equal to 5, like a nickel is 5, you made one long hair. And you made a long hair for 5. Every time there's a 5 in the value of the coin, you made one long hair. 25 cents for a quarter would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then there's 5 for a nickel. Again, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then there's 10 cents for a dime. So there's 5, 10. And then a quarter again, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And for the pennies, you may have put a dot. So I'm going to just put a dot and a dot because he doesn't have long hair. Okay, so then all you have to do now is just count by fives, all the hairs, and then count by one. So I go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110. Now I have to count my dots. 111, 112. So our coins, our collection is 112. So we have 112 cents. And because remember, every 100 cents equals $1, then that transfers over to $1.12. Okay, let's look at the other one here. So we know this is $1 already, so that's already going to be $1. This is a nickel, that's 5, that's 5. A dime is 10, 5, 10. A nickel, 5. A quarter, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. A penny, just a dot, 5, 10, 5, 10. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started counting our fives. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, skip the penny, 55, 60, 65, 70, and then go back to the penny, which is one more, 71. So we already know we have $1. That'll be $1.71. $1.71. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this video about counting coins and bills. And if you have to, rewind the video and watch it again. Some of you will remember how your teachers taught you how to do hairy money. That's fine, you can do it that way. But really in third grade, you should be able to count on. So see you again next time. Bye.